drifting out with the boys. In the snow is how it goes. Drifting out with the boys.
Stu.
Snoo. The rear window view is pretty fucking cool. Do. No one's drifting.
Yeah, pussies.
I thought those rough gliders. What the fuck? Not rough pussies. Pussy. Yeah, we're drifting. Yeah, that's cool.
Sideways.
Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking. We gon' do what they said can't be done. Now I got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound, that's an Audi in front of us.
Infinity.
We're basically the same cars.
Not even a little bit.
I know I'm fucking with you. Now we're racing and drifting you.
We'll have to get you to stand over there, Barbara, and just watch us all go by.
Fuck, it's cold!
Yeah, but you're the most fucking impervious.
Alright, fair enough.
I'll freeze. Plus, no offense to you guys, I'm not letting you do this in my truck.
Fuck no, I don't want to trust myself doing it on your truck. Sorry.
At least if anybody's gonna schmuck her up, it's gonna be me.
Got that fucking right. I ain't paying for shit. Unless I break it.
Okay, if that's a video you can stop.